business and our agri exports, my own business. We are the makers of Ashirvad Atta. I'm sure it reaches most of your homes. The numbers are mine.
Today's context, when we are talking about plantation crops, the plant availability, quality planting material available. Why it is important in a crop like coconut or areca nut? See, once if you put this coconut or areca nut plus plantation, so I am from plantation, so plantation research.
Agriculture department and agri products. In MSME, as you know, we didn't know how many entrepreneurs are in India.
So before moving our technical discussions, I would like to introduce our organizations, that is MAPe IT Solutions Pvt Limited. So we are specialized in digital engineering and geospatial technologies, and we are experts in GIS, BIM, drone survey, LiDAR survey, training management, etc.
Now let me explain what is GIS, how we can use the GIS technology we use for civil applications in GIS.
Client, we lifted him. He said, I will attend both the day. Even before coming, I said, sir, you send somebody can present. No, I will come and do the presentation. We are confident in making a success.
Thank you and congratulations to all the best paper award winners. Thank you, the dignitaries.